This is it. It's the final day of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Let's do this. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबलस्पून। आप सबको बहुत
Hi guys, I'm so excited that you are here. You have gotten this far. You are at the end of the final countdown. You are at the end of the 30-day Hindi challenge. And it's been amazing. It's been a fun journey. It's been a fun ride. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed it as well. And I hope that you've learned a lot. I believe that you have learned a lot. And if you look back at what you've learned, you'll be surprised at how far you've come in these past 30 days. If you've really just applied yourself and put in the 5 or 10 minutes that is required. So let's go ahead and do our last review, and then I have a few things that I want to share with you. All right, let's do the review. आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you want? Now, remember a few notes here. Kya comes after आपको. It comes after the entire oblique form, or that to you form of आप, right? It's not आप क्या को चाहिए. That's just weird. It's आपको, to you, what, क्या चाहिए is wanted. And a reminder about the चाहिए forms, you can ask them to a man or a woman, or if you're talking about yourself, you can say them as a man or a woman. It doesn't matter. There's no change in that form. Okay, let's continue. आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you want? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. आपको चावल चाहिए? आपको चावल चाहिए? Do you want rice? Okay, another note here. You'll remember from our lesson yesterday, I said often kya is dropped when it's at the beginning, when it comes before op. It's understood many times, so it can be dropped. So you could also say, kya aapko chawal chahiye? Do you want rice? But just from that rising intonation at the end of the sentence, aapko chawal chahiye, we know that this is a question. So, aapko chawal chahiye? Do you want rice? To which he could respond, or she, nahi, mujhe chawal nahi chahiye. Nahi, mujhe chawal nahi chahiye. No, I do not want rice. Aapko kuch chahiye? Aapko kuch chahiye? Do you want something? हाँ, मुझे काफी चाहिए. हाँ, मुझे काफी चाहिए. Yes, I want coffee. क्या आप आना चाहते हैं? क्या आप आना चाहते हैं? क्या आप आना चाहती है? क्या आप आना चाहती है? Do you want to come? हाँ, मैं आना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं आना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं आना चाहती हूँ. हाँ, मैं आना चाहती हूँ. Yes, I want to come. क्या आप गाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप गाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप गाना चाहती हैं? क्या आप गाना चाहती हैं? Do you want to sing? हाँ, मैं गाना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं गाना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं गाना चाहती हूँ. हाँ, मैं गाना चाहती हूँ. Yes, I want to sing. क्या आप जाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप जाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप जाना चाहती हैं? क्या आप जाना चाहती हैं? Do you want to go? हाँ, मैं जाना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं जाना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं जाना चाहती हूँ. हाँ, मैं जाना चाहती हूँ. Yes, I want to go. क्या आप दूध पीना चाहते हैं? क्या आप दूध पीना चाहते हैं? क्या आप दूध पीना चाहती है? क्या आप दूध पीना चाहती है? क्या आप दूध पीना चाहती है? Do you want to drink milk? हाँ, मैं दूध पीना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं दूध पीना चाहती हूँ. हाँ, मैं दूध पीना चाहती हूँ. Yes, I want to drink milk. क्या आप काम करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप काम करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप काम करना चाहती हैं? क्या आप काम करना चाहती हैं? Do you want to work or do you want to do work? नहीं, मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. नहीं, मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. नहीं, मैं काम नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. नहीं, मैं काम नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. No, I do not want to do work. क्या आप हिंदी बोलना चाहते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी बोलना चाहते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी बोलना चाहती है? क्या आप हिंदी बोलना चाहती है? Do you want to speak Hindi? हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहता हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहती हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहती हूँ. Yes, I want to speak Hindi. Now, a challenge for this final review would be to go back over all of the reviews that we've had, so every 5 days, and look at those review sheets and try to do them all. And then you'll really have a sense of how much you know and how much that you have learned over these last 30 days. And I'll tell you, the number is amazing. The figure of how many words, sentences, and combinations of words, how many sentences you can say. Because not only have you learned frozen phrases being, hey, learn this sentence, and then you can say this. You can use it in one situation. But that's not the unlocked way. That's not the way I teach. The way I teach is we break it down so that you can create your own sentences, so that you can understand totally every grammatical, element that is there, and that you're able to produce your own sentences. You're able to speak and create your own sentences, and you're literally able to say, even after just 30 days, hundreds of different things. And I am putting together a little packet for all of you guys. It is a paid packet. So if you're signed up for the 30-day challenge, if you click on the link in today's email to buy me a coffee, you can give whatever you want, just as an appreciation for the time and energy that I put into making and creating this challenge. Whatever you give, as long as it's something, you will get this special packet, and it is going to have the combination of everything that you have learned to say over the course of this 30 days. And I hope that you guys have appreciated what you've learned, and if you're interested in having that, you can buy me a coffee, as we say. through that link on PayPal in the email. So please consider doing that. I do hope as well that many of you will continue your Hindi learning journeys. I hope that you will sign up for some of our courses on Hindi Unlocked. Sign up for either the beginner Hindi grammar course or sign up for the Devanagari script course. Both are excellent courses and I hope you'll check those out. Or you could also sign up to join our online community of Hindi learners. It's on this platform called Mighty Networks, which is really amazing. It's really great. This is a paid platform. You do have to pay something to be a part of that group, but I feel like you're really going to get a lot out of that. You're going to get a sit down with me, a kind of Zoom call meeting where we can chat and we can see what level you are, and I'll work with you to create a roadmap for your future Hindi learning. And you'll also get to have conversations and chats with other people that are learning Hindi as well at your same level or at different levels, and you can grow and learn together. And there'll be exclusive content that I continue to regularly post there in that Mighty Network. So please check that out as well if you'd like to be a part of that. Well, this is it. This is the end of the 30-Day Hindi Challenge. I'm so glad that you've joined. Congratulations on making it this far, and continue your Hindi learning. I encourage you, continue your Hindi learning. Don't stop, even if you do it some other way, not through a Hindi Unlocked course. I encourage you not to lose what you've gained in these last 30 days. You are brave. You did this. Chalo, keep learning Hindi. Thanks for joining, guys. I'll see you later.